Hi students, welcome back to online classes. 6th class science chapter 4 water. In the previous class we have discussed water cycle. Water cycle and its stages. There are 4 stages in water cycle. That stages in detail we have discussed in the previous class. If you do not watch that class, please watch again. So friends, in this class let us discuss droughts, water scarcity. Droughts, when water scarcity exists, droughts will exist. So droughts is nothing but water scarcity. So what is droughts? How the droughts will affect our life? Let us discuss in this class. Dear students, in our region, if there is no rain for 4 to 5 years, how many days? Not days, years. 4 to 5 years. 4 to 5 years, if there is no rain, what will happen? What are the problems people will face if there is no rain for 4 to 5 years? It is very difficult. It is very serious problem for the people. Surviving is very difficult for the living organisms, living things. So, this type of situation is called drought. If there is no rain for 4 to 5 years, that problem is called drought. Water scarcity. We will not get sufficient water. So what are the problems we will face? What are the problems we will face during the droughts? Let us see. We know that droughts means there is no rain for a long time. So what will happen during the droughts? During this period, that means during this period of droughts, it's very difficult to get, first one, food and fodder. It is very difficult to get food and fodder. So food for ourselves, fodder, it's also food for animals. And second thing, drinking water problems will arise. We will not get sufficient drinking water. And for other purposes also, for daily activities, day-to-day activities also, we need water. This water also, for collecting water, people have to travel long distances. People have to travel long distances to collect water. Whether it is drinking water or for day-to-day activities, we need water also. For that water also, people have to travel long distances. People have to walk long distances to collect water. Okay, to collect water in nozzle. Okay, people have to walk for long distances to collect water. And next one, agriculture. And cultivation. Agriculture and cultivation becomes difficult. So without water, agriculture and cultivation becomes difficult. It's very difficult to cultivate different crops, and agriculture also, different agricultures. Agriculture and cultivation is difficult without water. And we know that many people depend on agriculture. So people depend on agriculture and cultivation. They have to migrate. They have to migrate to towns in search of jobs. So maybe you understand what is migrate. Migrating is nothing but changing their place, moving from one place to another place. In the villages, they have no job because it is drought. There is no water available for the agriculture and cultivation. So that is why so many farmers, they will migrate to towns to get jobs. And next one, in our state, there are some areas which are affected by droughts. So they are mainly Anantapur, and Kadapa, and third one Kurnool. Anantapur, Kadapa, Kurnool. These three distances are drought prone areas. What is that? Drought prone areas. You can say drought prone districts. So here people are suffer for this. In these areas, people mainly suffer for water. So we can observe so many people migrate from these places to another places in search of jobs. Next one, how droughts affect our life. Next one, droughts affect our life. To understand this, we have a letter in a textbook. Try to understand how drought affects our life and find out the problems. In this letter, there are different points you can understand and find out the problems. To understand how droughts affect our life, here is a letter written by Ramanna for you. Ramanna written a letter to his friend. Try to understand how droughts affect our lives. Let us see. By listening this letter, we can understand what are the main problems people will face during the droughts. Let us see. Those who have textbook, please watch the textbook, page number 41. Dear Firoz, who is writing the letter? Ramanna is writing. To whom? To Firoz, his friend. I hope you are fine there. Dear Firoz, I hope you are fine there. Nowadays, we are facing severe problems due to drought. For the last 5 years, we have no rains. How many years? 5 years, they have no rains. Due to that reason, they are facing severe problems. All our fields have dried and there are cracks in them. So what happens due to this reason? Their fields becomes dry. Fields becomes dry and there are cracks. There are cracks in the ground and we fail to grow any crop. So due to this reason, cracks are there. Land become dry. So due to this reason, we fail to grow any crop. My father has invested money on bore wells with no results. My father invested so much of money on the bore wells, but there is no use. There is no good result. Now we get water. After a long time, we get water. After a great struggle from the bore well, which is 5 kilometers from our village. Now we get water, but that is away from our village. How much? 5 kilometers away from our village. The days have become very bad. The days have become very bad. It is very difficult to live here. Several people have sold their cattle and migrated to Hyderabad and Bangalore. Several people sold their cattle. What is cattle? Animals, cows, buffaloes, etc. Those who have these cows and buffaloes, cattle, they sold and migrated to Hyderabad and Bangalore for searching another job. My family also wants to do so. My family also trying to sell all the cattle and trying to migrate to the towns. I request you to ask your parents to search for a job for my father at your place. So what is request is making? I request you to ask your parents to search for a job for my father at your place. In your place, if there is any job available for my father, please request your parents to search there. My father may have been a well-known rich farmer here, but he is willing to do any kind of job there. My father is a rich farmer in my village, but in town he can do any job. He is willing to do any job because except this cultivation, agriculture, you don't have anything. So whatever job is available, he is ready to do. Yours loving friend Ramanna. So after reading this letter, what do you understand? What problems did Ramanna face? What are the problems? Mainly water problem. Land becomes dry up. There are cracks in the fields. They are walking long distances to collect water. So many people are sold their cattle and migrated to towns like Hyderabad and Bangalore. So Raman also is trying to do like that along with his family. How can Firoz help him? So he is requesting Firoz to ask their parents to search for a job for Ramanna's father. Water scarcity is a problem in some districts of our state, as mentioned earlier. Here, rainfall is less and farmers are largely depend on irrigation using underground water to raise crops. So already we have discussed here Anantapur and Kadapa, Kurnool. So in these areas, farmers depend on groundwater for cultivation. Groundwater. Here one question is there. So many farmers depends on groundwater to cultivate the crops in these areas. If the farmers depend on crops which need more water in these areas, what will happen? If the farmers cultivate crops which require more water, what will happen? What will happen? Definitely they will not get good harvest. So that is why farmers have to think about crops which require less water. Okay, less water crops they have to cultivate. If several bore wells are dug and underground water is tapped constantly, what will happen to the source of groundwater? In a particular area, several bore wells dug and constantly tapping groundwater, what will happen? In the future, the groundwater also slowly disappear. It's not available. This is also a reason for the reduction of groundwater. So in a particular area, some particular distance, a bore well should be dug. Government also will guide like that. Should not dig different bore wells in a particular area. There is a limited distance how to maintain. Otherwise, groundwater reduction will take place. Groundwater will disappear. Groundwater reduction will take place. So this is about droughts. Another dangerous problem, another severe problem. What is that? Floods. Floods also a severe problem. Floods, a natural hazard. Flood, a natural hazards. During the rainy season, you may have observed flood related pictures. You can observe the pictures in the screen. Observe the pictures. What does the pictures tell us? Does excessive rainfall in certain areas of our country lead to such a condition? In our country, is there any regions causes for the type of conditions? Yes, definitely. There are some areas causes this type of situations. Floods also another severe problem. What is floods? Floods is a natural hazard. Naturally will happen. So what is that? If you observe the picture, you can understand. In our country also, there are some regions affected by these floods. So what will happen during the floods? Let us see. Before that, do you know? You can observe the page number 42. Do you know? Natural Disaster Relief Force. Natural Disaster Relief Force. NDRF. NDRF. Natural Disaster Relief Force. And State Disaster Relief Force. State Disaster Relief Force. Local fire health, police, revenue, okay, once again see, Natural Disaster Relief Force, State Disaster Relief Force, Local Fire, Health Department, Police Department, Revenue Department, all together work during the floods to help the people. During the floods, these are all the departments will help the people, and sometimes military also participate. Sometimes military also participate these relief activities wherever necessary. So in necessary situations only military will participate in relief activities.